Hello and welcome to another update video about Dogecoin. Doge sold off on Friday, like many other cryptos as well. Looking at the bigger picture, this entire consolidation that we've been tracking is considered a wave 4, right? You see that a little bit better if we click on the long-term chart, or if we select the long-term chart for Doge. That gives you a good idea of the bigger picture, because the idea is, and I just have the wave degrees are a bit different here on the long-term chart, but this is the fourth wave. This is the swing low from the 1st of May. And yeah, ideally we stay above that level to maintain the idea that we could continue to climb higher in this structure here to possibly $1 plus. Bear in mind, it's an altcoin. It can top at any point. It can top at a B wave at any time, really, which is why I'm tracking support. So as soon as we break below 11 cents, which is, as shown on the smaller time frame, the key support level here, yeah, things are going to get very difficult. Why is that? Because this is the distance of the third wave, and it's the 61.8 retracement. So that's really the key level here, which is relevant for trend continuation to the upside. If this is a fourth wave, this pullback, the low should really be in. I mean, it can make one more low, but then it should really hold the 11 cent level. Anything below that would require a reinterpretation of the chart. Now, it's possible that fifth wave to the upside has started, going back to the shorter time frame, but then it is extremely difficult really to determine what exactly is happening here. I mean, I've got a structure. It's just simply not reliable because in this move to the upside that we are tracking, the fifth wave of the C wave is an ABC structure. It just has to do with the overall structure. And that means all these movements are corrective in nature. And therefore it means we have to be on our toes. You know, the structures might change, they shift. And it's just unreliable. I mean, we have an A wave up in 3 waves, B wave down, a very, very short C wave. Not very happy with that. But a 3-wave move down into support. So the nearest support level is here, or area is this one, the B wave support. And it is between 13 cents. I can actually shift that a little bit to the right. It's between 13 cents and 15 cents. So 13 to 15, that's the micro support area for this B wave pullback, which could still, form one more low, no problem. The next micro support levels are 13.9 cents and then 13 cents. But if this is a B wave pullback within that fifth wave to the upside, then it should really hold the 13 cent level. Anything below that would mean that at least this larger degree fourth wave is still unfolding. So in very simple terms, we could get one more low. As long as it's holding 13 cents, I maintain the view that we could be in a B wave pullback, but it's speculative, of a larger fifth wave to the upside below 13 cents. The 12.4 and 11 cent levels will be relevant again, but then most likely within the framework of a still unfolding wave 4 correction. So it would still be unfolding, and the market would then have to reattempt a fifth wave rally later. Even in this current micro count where we could be in a B wave pullback, we could form one more low, because the idea is here that we are in wave C of B, and that C wave looks like 3 waves. Normally a C wave has 5, so it might just form one more low here. And if it turns around to the upside from here, a break above 15.2 cents would be an early indication, really an early indication, that a low has already formed. Okay, so that would be the earliest indication. Better would be a break above the yellow B wave, and that would be a move above 16.6 cents. Getting above that level would indicate that we are finally in the C wave rally. But it should, if the turnaround happens for the yellow micro count, it should be from this region. That's my update about Dogecoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.